Little slowly, yeah? Go ahead. Jen is reading letter thing. Hindu akka. Guys. 3, 2, 1, start.
I'm gonna read the letter. My birthday. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sukrit. My birthday is coming now, and my birthday is in 6/1/2025, and every family come for my birthday, and I love my birthday, and everyone surprised with me favorite gifts, and I am very happy because my birthday is come now, and my birthday is celebrating from